Welcome to Cedar Creek.
With the purchase of this home, you also gain access to all of the amazing Cedar Creek community amenities, including the 65-acre fishing, sailing, canoeing, kayak lake, dock access for sailing and small boats, 2 swimming pools, 2-story clubhouse with indoor basketball, volleyball, pickleball, racquetball courts, party and meeting rooms, lighted outdoor tennis courts, parks, play areas, and over 65 miles of walking trails and nature trails. Come join us at Cedar Creek. It's the lifestyle. This home sits on one of Cedar Creek's largest lots at 1 acre. The backyard is fully wooded with mature trees and creates privacy and a sanctuary away from the everyday world. Come take a look as you can enjoy it from 3 separate balconies or maybe a glass of wine on the deck. I'd love an opportunity to show you all the amazing things about this unique home.
If you look up unique in the dictionary, this would be it. Would you like a private showing? I absolutely love showing this home. Reach out to me. I'll be happy to make it work for your schedule.